Hi everyone! Today we are going to make Asian-style twisted donuts. Twisted donuts are a traditional fried dessert with regional variations. These sweet treats are crispy on the outside and fluffy on the inside, making for a simple and addictive snack that my family can't get enough of. This recipe uses only a few ingredients and has an easy method to twist the dough. Here are all the ingredients we need. Now let's get started. To make the dough, pour the flour into a big bowl, add the dry yeast, then add the sugar and salt, mix them together, and add room temperature butter. Cut in the butter and mix until it's evenly distributed throughout the flour. Crack in an egg. Pour in the water and mix. You'll need about 1 cup of water depending on your dough, so adjust accordingly if needed. Knead it until the dough is smooth and round. You can also add some flour to make it less sticky. Brush a little oil on the surface. Cover the dough and leave it somewhere warm until it doubles in size. This may take about 2 hours depending on your room temperature. Once the dough is ready, knead it until it forms a smooth ball. Roll it into a rectangular shape until it's thin. It should be about 42 by 26 centimeters. From the longer side, cut it into 18 even, long and thin strips. Take a strip and use your hands to smooth it out. Then twist each end in opposite directions. Fold the 2 ends together so that the dough becomes twisted when you release the tension. Fold it again, twist, then connect the 2 ends together like so. Repeat to make all the twisted donuts. Set them aside for half an hour. To deep fry the dough, preheat the oil to about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Put the donuts in the oil a few at a time. Deep fry them until they turn golden, then flip them over. When both sides are golden, take them out and let them dry on paper towels. Afterwards, coat them in sugar. And you're done! Enjoy your fluffy and chewy donuts. Please like the video if you enjoyed the recipe, and subscribe for more traditional Asian recipes. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comment section.